Today, the love of your life is coming to pay Lobola for you. I'm sure you're so proud of yourself.
I am. God inhliziyo ayithembi.
Why are you doubtful?
I'm scared. I don't know this person. I'm not even sure if he's going to treat me right.
Marriage is not all about how he treats you. It's about making sure you build your own family. It's about making sure that your marriage works out.
What about love, sis? Uthando lufika nini then?
Love will eventually come. Now, stop overthinking this. Get yourself ready. Make yourself beautiful. Today is your day. It's a happy day. Put on a smile. Get ready, sissy.